is the interior part of it. Show you how the ramp works. This is my favorite feature. This is our first one that we have with a rear entry remote controlled ramp. The others that we do have are manual, which they're light. It's like a I'd say it's probably about a gallon jug of milk. Is, you know, if you were to do these manually yourself, I don't know if you have experience. I'm sure you do. And then here's with the chair inside. You got the wheel well there, and these two seats, they do not flip up, but the way they designed this was so that the person riding could feel included. So when they are seated here, you know, they're in between the two chairs, so it's like they're, you know, on the bench, and then or you can ride farther back. And then this button closes it. It's pretty quick too, which is great for inclement weather. And there she is. If there's anything I didn't film, let me know if you'd like to see. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks, Amy. Hope you like it.